Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And a few years ago, I made this as a 3D effect using this right here. And that's not what the video is about, even though I'm going to go out and try to change this. Then the problem is you need to move Control D and make a duplicate and then move it up. And you need to be in the center, and it worked pretty good. But it's a lot easier to measure it. So we'll get the parallel dimension tool and go from that midpoint to that midpoint, and we get 737. Now that's not big a deal. We'll change our nudge factor to 737, and we can just keep going until the cows come home. The problem is, how do you get the next ones that are going to come out of an angle to nest them like this? Well, it's not as hard as you would think. You could rotate them to 120 degrees, and now because this is 120 degree angles, now you can Control D and nest them this way to your heart's content. Pretty cool to be able to figure things out like that, to move it up and down. That would have taken you, if you were moving it by hand, that would take you quite some time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.